In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view and download Steam Cloud saves in just 5 minutes. Whether you're switching to a new device or simply want to ensure your game data is backed up, accessing and downloading your Steam Cloud saves is a straightforward process. So let's get started by opening up your Steam app. Once you have Steam open, you'll want to click on the login option. If you're seeing the login page, great. This is where you'll need to enter your account name and password. Be sure to have these credentials at hand. It's essential you log into the correct account to access your cloud saves. After you've entered your details, click on the sign in button to proceed. Now that you're on your Steam homepage, direct your attention to the top menu. You'll want to click on Steam and from the drop down menu select Settings. In the settings window, look for the Cloud tab, and once you're there you will see an option to enable Steam Cloud. Make sure this option is turned on to allow your game saves to be uploaded and stored in the cloud automatically. With Steam Cloud enabled, let's move over to viewing and working with your game saves. Head to your Steam library where all your games are displayed. Right click on the game for which you'd like to manage cloud saves. This will bring up a context menu. From these options, select Properties. Within the Properties window, you'll see a General tab. Ensure that Steam Cloud is enabled for the game by checking the relevant box, which allows your game saves to sync seamlessly to the cloud. Steam will automatically download the latest version of your saved games as long as the feature is enabled. This ensures that no matter where you log in from, you always have the most up-to-date save available. For those of you eager to see your cloud saves directly, here's a neat trick. In the URL bar on your Steam homepage, type in Account Remote Storage and hit enter. This will redirect you to Steam's cloud page where you can view all the data stored on the cloud for your account. Having this overview is particularly handy if you're looking for a specific save file or want to double check what's been backed up. So there you have it, you've now learned how to manage, view and download your Steam Cloud saves, ensuring your game progress is always safe and easily accessible. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Remember to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, and happy gaming!